What's up, guys? I'm Lewis from Bitter Blade Co. And today we're going to be restoring this vise. She's a big one. Also, a quick thank you to Benchmark Abrasives for supplying the wire wheels that I'll be using for this project. Up. Yes! Yes! Ah! That was awful. Ah, yuck. Ah! Let's go.
I'm guessing. Once I do that. Oh, yeah. Wait. Did it budge?
I got the pin out. Special thanks to Vise for Vices on Instagram for the help. And now, since I got that out, I should be able to slide this out.
Oh, I got punched. Oh, got it. Ah, God, it's disgusting. Yuck.
Right. I'm tired. I'm gonna take a nap, go to bed. You know, human things. I'll be back tomorrow, probably, ready to start again and fix this. It'll be 2 seconds for you, but I'll be back tomorrow. Want to fix. Number one, this thing is beat to hell. Look at these jaws on top. Let me take it up here. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna try to even that out with a flap disc and then recut. I can see my finger through there. Recut this jawline and repolish this up. Maybe that, I don't know. I'm just gonna try to hit it with the flap disc real quick and see if I can even that out, and then I'll cut into it. Again, another thanks to Benchmark Abrasives for the abrasives for this video. So I'm gonna get this 40 grit and try to clean some of this up. And I'll use a cutting disc, try to clean that up. All right, here we go. I'm doing some sculpting right now, trying to smooth out some of the big dents. I got the jaws kinda, I think, the best where I can get them as far as flatness. And as far as what I need and what I'm doing, I'm pretty sure this is okay. I'm just gonna smooth these out and, you know, fix this up a little bit to make sure it's smooth. And, you know, there's some huge nicks in it. But honestly, it is character, and I'm gonna be using this thing, so I'm not totally concerned about the big nicks. Yeah, it's late as hell. I'm gonna go to sleep. Probably work on this tomorrow. The only thing I have to do now is finish grinding this metal and making a mess in here, and then wire brushing the whole thing again just to make sure you're getting everything off. Soak it with alcohol, and then be ready for paint. Using the cordless angle grinder was fun and all, but this is kind of strenuous, so we gotta break out or reliable. Fran, you dirty dog. Alright, I'm done freaking wire wheeling this whole thing. That took way longer than I thought. Okay, now I'm gonna paint this. I'm gonna paint it. Thank you, Fran. Now I'm not too concerned about the finish of this because I am gonna use it, and it will be used. So I'm gonna paint it, and if the paint wears off in 3 months, well, I'm gonna use it.
So I'm not terribly concerned.
Here's my paint booth set up. I'm getting ready to spray paint it this color. And you know what? I know what you should have painted it black. You should have painted it white, red. You know what? How about this? Next time, when you give me a Vise and let me restore it, I will be glad to paint it whatever color you want. But this is my project. So we're gonna paint it this blue, and I'm not gonna tell you what color lettering I'm gonna do, because that's gonna be a surprise. All right, let's get painting. Okay, she's painted. 3 coats of spray paint, and I'm gonna let it dry. The paint is dry. Now I'm ready to put it back together and get the lettering done. We're gonna do black letters. done. Okay, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. I think it came out really nice. I'm going to have fun using it and working with it. Another thanks to Benchmark Abrasives for sponsoring me and giving me all the abrasives for the video. The flat disc, the grinding wheels, the wire wheels. They make really good stuff and I really like the product, so you guys should really check them out. Thanks for watching. Check out my YouTube, like, follow, subscribe, Instagram, Bitter Blade Co. and My Instructables. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day, guys.